Welcome back to WGNC Garage. We're here with my friend's Hilux. We're going to be changing an oil on his today. His is the 1KZ engine, so it is the turbo diesel. So we'll be using Rotella 540 and a Nitto oil filter. So let's get started. So now his oil filter, it's hard to see, but has this tray around it. Hose does drain down and actually comes in here from factory, so I'll put the drain here, so this will drain oil into the pan as we empty it out. So to get it out, we have to loosen this piece, take off the filter housing. Alright, and then we need to remove this. I think I can get the filter from here. Yeah, I got it. It loosened up. Yep, it's coming off.
Sometimes it gets very hard and I need to use this and extension and break over.
Do you lube it?
No, I lube it every time. It doesn't matter if I lube it or not.
Alright, so there's that.
Here it is back. Here we go again.
Alright. Yeah, diesel oil. There you go. Alright, let's get a rag and I'll clean this up here. Sacrificial rag.
Looks nice, right?
Yeah, I like that drain thing that it has.
I think he has one already. It's gonna get dirty again.
Alright, your new filter?
You have it?
Right there. Sweet. And I just need some of the little oil to put on the gasket.
You like how big my engine filters are?
It's an interesting size. I kind of,
It's
for a small diesel, I kind of expected a little bit. Yeah, I use new oil.
It's the same as the HD engines from the 70 diesel and
Okay.
the Land Cruiser 70 and 80s. They use the same engine filter.
Filter? Nice. Alright. Alright, there we go.
Land Cruiser?
Tighten by hand. Now that we got the oil filter in place, we can put the air filter back in. Grab me the silicone. Alright, so for future easement of us, we're going to add a little bit of silicone lubricant to help slide this, voila, on and off. Alright, so that is closed. The screwdriver so we can tighten that up, and then now we gotta drain the oil. Where's the screwdriver? Alright, so
when I was doing an engine oil change, this rubber was so old. When I opened it, it cracked in the middle right here. So I got the new
okay,
one.
so you got the new one.
Yeah.
Perfect.
This is the only brand new rubber here. I was so mad because it took like a.
All right, it's tightened. Right,
they
so
have,
now under here,
they have
we will crack this free. You can still see the drain hose dripping from the oil filter that traveled down into here. Now this pan is going to get very close to full since this is a diesel, It has a high capacity. There we go. All right, I'm gonna need the rag so I don't drip this diesel oil all over. All right. You said you put 2 gallons, right?
Yeah, 2 gallons.
Okay, so that's 8 quarts. So this will be right at the brim.
Maybe you should put a little black.
Huh?
No.
No, it'll drain forward. It's just the 8 quart mark is way up here. So it's gonna cover everything with oil.
What year is yours? 96.
Alright, once this finishes draining, we'll be back. Alright, so now that it has drained, we're going to put the bolt back in with a new washer and tighten it down. There we go. Hand me a rag. Drip, please. Thank you. Alright, now to fill the engine with oil. Alright, let's go ahead and add the oil.
And it's side by right.
It's all good.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. I'll hold this one for you while you get the other bottle. Ready?
Yeah. So we go to O'Reilly for your coolant. What coolant do you take?
He needs the
Pink?
Nissan, the green.
Green.
Yeah. Because you use the Toyota pink. Alright. I'll flip the funnel upside down so it doesn't drip. Cool. Rag in here. And oil cap. The dipstick should... I took it out. Okay. Perfect. Awesome. Let's grab a rag and clean this off. Make sure it has enough before we start. Good. It does have enough. All right. You can go ahead and start it up. Don't worry, I'll pull that out.
Alex, do you want to start up for me?
Where's the keys?
Keys in a car.
Okay.
Still streaming?
Yeah. All right.
It's in a standard car.
Let's fire this up. Alright, big key for Hilux on neutral. Alright. Oil light. And it is off. Alright. Any leaks? Any leaks? Alright, so now that the oil light has gone off and it's been idling and it's starting to warm up, I am going to use the idle up feature to get the engine up to operating temperature quickly. So, idle up. And I will be back once the engine is up to operating temperature. Alright, so we've had the engine high idle for about 5 minutes now. It has reached its operating temperature. His does operate slightly colder with the thermostat that we have in it. So I'll bring it down to idle. Alright, so now we'll shut this off and verify the oil level. Alright, I just need a rag to check the oil level real quick. Sweet. Damn, that's exactly where it needs to be. Alright, all good. And now we can close, tightened, filters on, no leaks. There we go. All complete.